So we need to solve this linear equation 2x plus 3y equals minus 1, along with x plus y equals 1. So let's go ahead and name this equation 1 and equation 2 to give us our system. Let's start by isolating either x or y, we can choose, from equation 2. And the reason I'm picking equation 2 is because it's obviously a lot simpler than equation 1, so it will be easier to isolate a variable there. Let's isolate x from equation 2. X plus y equals 1, so x equals 1 minus y. Now that we have that, we can sub that back into equation 1. So sub x equals 1 minus y into 1. Equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals minus 1, and instead of x, I'm going to write 1 minus y. So 2 times 1 minus y plus 3y equals 1. Now that my entire equation is in terms of y, I can actually solve for y. So let me start by distributing this 2 into every term in that bracket. 2 minus 2y plus 3y equals 1. Add the like terms. 2 plus y equals 1. Y equals 1 minus 2. Y equals minus 1. Now that I have my solution for y, I can sub that back into equation 2. So sub y equals minus 1 into 2. X plus y equals 1, and instead of y, I'm going to write minus 1. X minus 1 equals 1, so x equals 1 plus 1, therefore x equals 2.